Hello, David here, and the project for today is I'm cutting my own hair. This time I'm going to do it with scissors, and it's going to be the first time. Last time I did a hair cutting video, it was with electric clippers, and with electric clippers I had a attachment on the clippers which set a depth of cut which gave a uniform cut. With scissors you don't get that, so unless you're a hermit or you wear a stocking cap all the time, you're going to need to have someone check over the back of your head to make sure that it doesn't look bad. So I'm going to start with, I'm just going to gather some hair between my first finger and my second finger and just cut it along there. Let me move the camera a little. How's that? Just going to go around the head, grab some hair, and cut. The reason why I'm not using electric clippers is because I thought that even with the largest attachment I still had pretty short hair. Definitely not going to look professional, but I'm retired, so I don't care. I really can't see what I'm doing back here. Real long piece over there. Yeah, the good thing about thinning hair is it's really easy to cut the top. It doesn't take that long. Okay, out to this side. I think being ambidextrous would be a plus. That way I could change hands, but it's not going to work for me. And that's where having an assistant, I think, would come in handy. So I guess you could call this more of a trim than a haircut. I'm still, my objective is to still have a full cut, full head of hair. Don't want to crop it too close. Kind of want it symmetrical too. And here's the back part that I can't see. Maybe guys at home could tell me how I'm doing. Kind of feel it. Definitely need to go around the ears. And whatever you do, make sure that you don't cut your ear off. That would be bad. How's that look? I can see a dip right there. See if I can de-accentuate that. Like I said, this is my first time. Looks a little long over here. Hopefully when I wash it, it won't look so bad. Hopefully after the passage of 2 months it won't look so bad, then it'll grow in. You can always tell people that you get your hair cut at a barber college. Okay, I'm pretty close to finished. Looking for some long pieces. There's some over there. Okay, I think that's going to be about it. I think your results will vary, and I imagine I'll get better as time goes by. Practice makes perfect, right? So this is my first one. My second one should be better, and I could always wear a knit cap. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye now.